Ensuring rapid recovery of your Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, is critical to maintaining operational continuity in the face of data loss or corruption. With Veeam Backup for AWS, RDS recovery is simplified, allowing you to swiftly recover any database-related challenges. Hi, I'm Julia with Veeam, and today we'll explore how to perform an RDS recovery with Veeam Backup for AWS. Let's get started. Under Protected Data and the RDS tab, select the RDS instance you want to restore. Select the Database Restore. Here you need to select a restore point that you want to restore from and add the databases that you want to restore. In this step, you need to select an IAM role that has sufficient permissions to perform the restore operations. If you're restoring to a production account, you need to select an IAM role for the worker deployment. In the Instance Settings section, you can specify the target AWS region where a database instance will host the restored databases and choose the target database instance. You must also specify a previously created user that will be used to connect to the database instance. In the Database Settings section, you can specify a new name for each database to be restored. Then, give a reason to the restore. And finally, there is a summary, and you can click Finish. And there you have it. Your Amazon Relational Database Service is now fully restored, ensuring the resiliency and reliability of your database infrastructure. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll continue to explore the comprehensive features of Veeam Backup for AWS. If you have any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear you in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content releases. Thanks for watching!